So, has Fimi bricked your drone? I suppose we better fix it then, haven't we? So, I give you a quick rundown. On the old Google, I see a Fimi drone. It's a geofencing issue. I thought, my dad flies them drones. Let's see if it's his drone. Long story long, turns out it wasn't. But I came across this. Emre Chan put down the boots, picked up the drone. He's then gone and made a little post on RC Groups that says, after the March 20th update on his FIMI Mini 3, the number 2 accelerometer on the IMU sensor has gone unlocked, bricking the drone. And if he tries to fly it, even though the app says ready to fly, his drone might fuck right off. Or it could start toilet bowling, or potentially just, straight into a tree.
Bye, have a beautiful time!
So, after his helpful post, no one could really help him. And it turns out, that is the drone my dad flies. So I said to him, listen here laddie, don't you go fly that drone, or you'll crash the bastard. I opened the FIMI Mini app, tapped the old cog, went to the 3 dots on the left, into maintenance, body sensor, and to my surprise, they've gone and bloody bricked this as well. So you see here where accelerometer 1 and 2, there's a line of 4 and they're both supposed to be identical when the drone is level. R2, let's call them R1 and R2. R2 is locked at 55, so no matter how much you turn the drone or whatever, they won't move. They're supposed to be even, so how R1 looks, that's how R2 is supposed to look. And like Emre says, the app's not warning us of this issue, so if we try to fly, we're gonna go. So this is the firmware it's running, 1009i, and apparently it's 1008a that's caused the issue. I chucked Fimi a little email, tell them I need their senior engineer department.
Top men.
Feel free to pause and read it. I mention all the stuff I just told you. I also say to him I need the 1007 firmware because that's the firmware that was working. So in theory, that should be the firmware that works, doesn't it? Or fixes it, should I say. I also noticed that the FIMI Mini 1, that could be 6-side calibrated. So I sent him a little email, followed up, saying I need to do that as well. Can you unlock it? So what I had to send them was, I had to make a Fimi account, Fimi ID, and your region, send that to them and they'll unlock it for you. So anyway, Fimi reply and basically say just go fly it into a tree mate, you'll be fine. Thanks Fimi. Then they reply with this. So I send them the details I've already sent them. Then they unlock the drone for me, which was lovely. They also included this. The drone is out of warranty. Thanks Fimi again. Just rub that one in. So anyway, we go into the drone, hit the little cog again. We get down to our 3 dots. Maintenance mode again. And look at this. We got a new little feature, drone calibration. So we tap calibrate and we get a little start. We tap this and then we have to do a bit of drone yoga. So we start off with the drone this way. Update your phone, no thank you. Then we go to your mum's favourite position, on her back. Sorry. Yeah, and then we go to this position on its side. I know it looks like it's facing left, just flat, but you have to hold it like this so it doesn't do anything. And then we just go through all of them like this. This one's head up, camera up to the sky. Then what's next? We go to the right, so it'll be on its side again. Then we flip it on its head, camera down, just like this. Bob's is your auntie. And then once it's done, we'll get a little grey drone. We tap. Do we tap anything? What do we tap? We don't tap anything, I don't think. I think we tap done, and then we're done. And then we go in there, we go and check our body sensors to see if it's done anything.
Barely my assholes.
As you can see, it is still got brick. So we have to get back onto Fimi and say to him, listen, buddy, I need 1007 firmware. Pronto. I'll let you have a little read of that. I also mentioned maybe it's just a batch of their drones that have this issue, not all of them, so maybe that's where they're being ignorant. I also sent them a little follow-up on this email, because in the UK we have a Consumer Rights Act 2015 mandates that digital content and goods must be satisfactory quality fit for purpose and accurate description. If an update breaks your device, removes advertising features, or shits itself because they've sent out an update, you know, they're reliable and you're not, so... Friday morning, I wake up with an email. Almost shit the bed.
Pardon me?
It reads, "Hi Bagel, download the attached firmware 1007. Go on then." There was also some instructions that don't work, so we'll show you how to install it in a minute. There's a link at the bottom that takes you to the firmware. So before I show you, make sure you hit the like, give us a subscribe, you know, it really helps. Leave a comment if you want, if you're a legend. And yeah, there you go, on the screen right now. Do you think I was going to make you type it out? Like, don't be silly. Go all the way to the bottom of the description, and there you go, my friend. We'll go over to the PC and we'll get that installed real quick. James Bond's favourite firmware downloaded, 1007. All we need now is this micro USB, not the USB-C, that goes into the battery. This one goes into, you'll see down here, see it right down there where the light's flashing. Plug her in there, and then you go straight into your USB on your laptop. Look at that, we've got FC Black Box and FC Upgrade. I assume Black Box keeps all the logs for your flight or location, GPS shite or whatever. Something to do with that. And what we need is, we need the upgrade. We're going to copy our file, chuck it in there. Then apparently you have to stand around for 2 minutes. So I'll let you in on a secret. Standing around for 2 minutes doesn't work. What you have to do is, you have to turn the drone off, unplug it, and then turn it back on, and it'll start going all fancy RGB stuff. Not actually RGB, actually, it's red and green, I think, and maybe white. And then it works. So FIMI, we're lying again. And there we go, tactical update inbound. You might notice the propellers start like, you know, twitching out, like it's got cramp or something. That's just it doing its thing. Righty, drone's just rebooted, so we'll go over to the app again. We'll tap our cog. We'll go to our 3 dots down here, and we'll check the firmware out first. Oh, look at that, lovely. 1007K, licensed to fly. Just a Bond joke again, sorry. Now let's check the body sensors out. Get in!
Great success!
That is how the drone is supposed to look when it's stable, haha.
It's no longer bricked. Lovely. So, if anyone knows MRay or is in them RC group thingy my bobbies, go in there, let him know that's how he can fix his drone. Tell him thank you, because, you know, without me seeing that, my dad might have gone and blown his drone up, for all I know, and he would have never known. So, hopefully, thumbs up, that will get to him. He can fix his drone. Look how new this drone was. Barely even used. Could have gone straight in the bin. So, yeah. I hope everyone gets the drone sorted. I did send it to FIMI, tell him my prediction was right, this is how you fix it, it's how you could help customers. They didn't reply, so it doesn't look like people are getting an update. So hopefully this helps some people. Lovely. Don't forget to give me a like, subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-ra!